Hey there, this is Dev. Today I will help you explain horizontal and vertical scaling. Let's say you wish to develop a website or app, call it as mahidev.com. So for every website, we need to connect it with a server. Our server is having a CPU and a storage. To buy this server, we need to go to the cloud mall. And we know that these are the different types of service providers who are providing all these configurations. So depending on your need, we need to choose one. And if I talk about mahidev.com, it's my dream to create simple and easy to understand content which will help each and everyone to understand technology better. I think for all the great data, I would need the bigger space. So why not take the maximum space at this time and start with that? Let's take this. Oops, I didn't consider the cost, and of course at this time we also need to consider the cost as I'm just starting. So I believe I should start small and gradually increase. Oh yes, with that new server, now my website is live, and now I will add all the contents which I wish to add for every one of you. So with time increases, even your love for my website increased, and that also increases the database. So now it's time to upgrade it. Okay, so I am back to my cloud mall, and this time I'll upgrade to 40 GB server. With the new 40 GB server, I first need to disconnect my old database. My website is down. Connect the new database, add all my data from the 20 GB data to this 40 GB database, and then connect again to go live. So there's a downtime, and this particular scaling is called the vertical scaling, or also called scale up. Okay, with same setup, now let's say if my database is running out of space and I wish to upgrade, I can simply add another database, and without any downtime, my website will be live all the time. This way, if I wish to add another one, I can simply connect and add another one without going down. This is called horizontal scaling, or also called scale out. So in vertical scaling, we saw that website goes down, and this is mostly true for the SQL based database. While in the NoSQL database, which follows the horizontal scaling, it's always easy to add the database and our site remains live all the time. But which type of database to use is always dependent on different use cases. I hope this helps and you got to know about the horizontal and vertical scaling. Enjoy it till next time.